Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Powershell 7 is installed and you have an API key ready. This gets you into action immediately. Next, set a secure variable for the key using read host or the secret management module so you do not expose credentials. Then inspect the API docs to determine the endpoint, HTTP method, and required headers. Once done, assemble a basic InvokeREST method call with header, method, and URI so you can run your first live request and see the response structure. Now you construct the request payload and headers, create a hash table for headers and convert body to JSON with convert to JSON if needed. Use InvokeREST method for parsed output or InvokeWeb request when you need full response metadata. Include authentication by adding an authorization header with bearer token or other scheme the API requires. Make the call inside a try/catch to capture errors. If you need query parameters, build a URI with system. URI builder or add a body for post and set content type application/J. Finish by parsing the response and acting on return data. Pipe JSON into convert from JSON and examine properties with getMember. Then implement robust error handling. Check status codes, add retry logic or exponential backoff for rate limits, and validate schema before processing. Make sure you log only non-sensitive details and redact API keys. If things go wrong, first reproduce the failing request with verbose and debug. Confirm headers and body match docs. Then check timeouts and network connectivity as the single most common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.